Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is the Asakusa Temple. Right where that red light is, in fact, that's where the temple's at. So just a little walk right after getting off of this station right here. Dominating the entrance to the temple grounds is the Thunder Gate. This imposing Buddhist structure features a massive paper lantern dramatically painted in vivid red and black tones to suggest thunderclouds and lightning. Admission to the temple grounds is free. Upon passing the Thunder Gate, you'll come upon the shopping street. The shopping street goes for about 200 meters, leading you right up to the temple. The shopping streets sell everything from souvenirs to dessert items. They have been here for several centuries. I found this to be uniquely different. These four young ladies holding their own battery-operated personal fans trying to keep themselves cool from the Tokyo heat. This is pretty cool. Look at this guy. He's cleaning out this little instrument here that he's going to make some Japanese treats with. So once he's finished cleaning it, he'll then add the little batter, make them, and then once he's added enough, they're secure, he will then close it tightly, put it on the rack. He will turn the other rack so they can all cook evenly, and then this is what the product looks like, so you can buy it in the store. After walking through the shopping street, you'll come upon the Treasure House Gate, which provides the entrance into the intercomplex. This statue you're looking at, the closed mouth style, is 545 meters high and weighs almost 1,000 kilometers in weight. Yep, this is going to be an open mouth style one on this side of the shrine. Let's see. This one's the open mouth style. And this is the same dimensions. 545 meters high, 1,000 kilometers in weight. So now let's go and check out this amazing temple here, the most visited in Japan. After passing through the Treasure House Gate, you'll see the stately 5-story pagoda and the main hall. Many tourists, both Japanese and from abroad, visit this temple every year. If you're finding this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every week. For 100 yen, you can and then you'll pull out a stick and it'll lead you to a drawer, to one of these drawers, and get your fortune out. If you get a bad fortune, then you hang it, tie it up here. So again, more things to keep you occupied and money cash flowing in. Here, with all of these things in here, see, there are little drawers that have all kinds of fortunes, look. See, like little cards and everything from all this, depending on what the stick is that you draw. And this tells all about it here. For 100 yen, put your money in and shake the stick, like this guy's doing. And right across the way over here, you can buy some incense. And this is an incense little booth right here. Look at all these incense. And the prices for them. And then you light the incense there like these guys are doing. Light them up. And then you put them over there. Show you a close-up of what the incense burning looks like. Here, this is where they put the incense after the fire's gotten going. And this is them right there. And they're raking in all the aroma. Look at that lady there is fanning herself with nothing but incense. In Buddhism, they believe the incense on them will bring them luck and happiness. And right across this way over here is where you can wash your hands, cleanse up before going in the temple. They want you to wash the hands, purify yourself before you visit that temple right there. And there it is. Unfortunately, no photographs or video allowed in the temple, but I'll hop on top of the steps there and show you what a picture of it looks like facing outward. And this isn't the German swastika. As you notice, this is a little different from the German swastika. This is the Japanese version of it. It's going the other way, the opposite way. Here's this big temple. Look at this. Let me see if I can get up a little bit higher, even though take the sun away. You can see that right there. Look at that. Nice. What it looks like from this angle. That's that. Little blue skies, not a cloud hardly in the sky, and it is hot, hot, hot in Tokyo. This is Tokyo's oldest and most significant temple. The temple was first built in 942 AD. It was destroyed by fire in 1631. It was then rebuilt and stood 300 more years until it was once again burned down during World War II. It is the most widely visited religious site in the world, with over 30 million visitors annually. Now, across the way over here, let's check out what this is. These are the grounds here, and this looks like it could be another type of a shrine, a temple. Let's see. Look at these little dragons here, like a fountain. Again, something, I guess, to wash the hands before going in, purify yourself, and then head on into this temple. Let's see if they allow photographs in here at least. So this is kind of similar to what it looks like in the other one. And this is where they pray, they clap, they throw a couple of coins down in here. Kind of a ritual ceremony. It's a good angle here and inside this little area. So this is pretty good, even though I wasn't allowed to go in the big one and record. I'm still able to get into this one and show you kind of a scaled down mock version of what goes on in that big temple right there. People rent these kimonos, kind of get into the flavor and the feel of the temple itself. Like these people over here, and they got these rickshaws for photo ops. You can get in them, take pictures, and also take a ride around in them. Right there. Look at that.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, bye.
So pretty nice. The grounds of this area are well manicured, taken care of, and there's some more little rock type of shrines that are put up. So overall, I was pleasantly pleased with my visit here. Glad I came, got to check it out and show it to you in case you're ever in the Tokyo area. Hope you will consider giving this place a visit. And over here's a little map showing you the area. If you would like to see my other videos on Japan, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.